If you're not using a Haas Rotary, then chances are you're wrapping dollars around your parts. This here is one of the first programmable 5C indexers that was ever made by Haas Automation way back in 1983. It happens to be the second unit ever built. Did you get what I said? The second unit ever built. This piece right here led to the beginnings of Haas Automation. It all started with a simple 5C indexer that was a mechanical device, retrofitted a stepper motor and a programmable control box, and Haas Automation was born. For nearly 40 years, we've made a lot of changes and enhancements to the 5C indexer, as well as to our entire line of rotary products. But the principle is still the same: automation. Automation is an essential part of our world, and it's forever changing and increasing. Using a rotary indexer or a rotary table is one of the easiest and most effective ways to automate a machining process. So if you're ever wondering when you should consider using a fourth axis, well, honestly, you shouldn't even think about buying a VMC these days without including a fourth axis on it. It's not a matter of if you'll need it, but when you'll need it. And once you've been accustomed to using it, you'll never want to live without one, or two, or maybe even three. But back to the subject of when. Anytime you're machining a part that has multiple features around the outside of it, you should be using a fourth axis. Or when you find that your operators are handling a part more than once or twice, you should be using a fourth axis. If you discover that you're scrapping parts due to misloading, guess what? You should be using a fourth axis. After all, the more times your operator has to handle a part, the more likely you'll run into dimensional errors from misloading. Or here's a good one: anytime you can combine a number of operations in order to increase your runtime so that your operator can go do something else, like run another machine or complete a setup. All of these are good reasons for having a fourth or even a fifth axis rotary. I realize there are many ways to machine a part without having to run multiple setups, but far too often, parts are still being machined through a series of different setups. And unless you're always running super basic parts, there's just no good reason for not using a fourth or fifth axis rotary somewhere in your shop. I mean, the fact of the matter is that they are so useful that they really should be as common as having a vise mounted on your machine table. While this 5C indexer is what we cut our teeth on, this was just the beginning for Haas Automation. The 5C indexer gave way to our entire line of rotary products, and then to our full line of CNC machines, making us the largest machine tool builder in North America and one of the largest in the world. Since our inception back in 1983, we've built well over 70,000 rotary units that are being used in a variety of industries around the world. Today, we have over 45 different rotary units to choose from, which are able to handle parts that range in size from under 1 inch in diameter all the way up to as large as 40 inches in diameter. With the challenge of competing against a worldwide network of manufacturers, along with the difficulty of finding qualified labor these days, there just isn't room anymore for handling a part more than what's absolutely necessary. Setup reduction and automation simply have to be a part of a machine shop's daily discipline in today's highly competitive environment. Being able to take a part like this and cut it down from 5 operations to just 2, or something like this that has 12 different ops and reduce it down to just 2 or 3, could be a significant milestone in improving the efficiency in your own shop. With the number of units that we have available to choose from, you'll be sure to find one that's just the right fit for your particular needs. And while there are many size parts that are typically machined in a machine shop, the majority of them would likely fit into one of these 3 most popular models: the HA5C, the HRT210, or the TRT160. This is today's version of the 5C indexer, where it all began. Although this latest unit has evolved quite a bit over the past 4 decades. With the use of a 5C collet, one of the most common collets found in machine shops today, the 5C indexer is compact, lightweight, easily portable, and extremely capable. For parts 1 inch in diameter and under, the Haas HA5C is the standard within the industry, and pretty hard to beat. For parts larger than 1 inch, we have the HRT210, which is by far the biggest seller of all the Haas rotary tables. It still fits well on most small size verticals, can handle parts up to 8 inches or even 10 inches in diameter, and is extremely rigid and very capable. And with the built-in 4th axis brake, The unit performs well under some of the most challenging cutting conditions. I might also add that over the past couple of years, we've rolled out the super speed models of the HRT 160, 210, and 310s. These units are 5 times faster and also have increased braking capacity for superior clamping force when needed for heavy cutting conditions. Then, when it comes to compound angles, or those times when you need 3+2 machine parts, or even true 5-axis interpolation, you can't go wrong with the TRT 160 2-axis rotary. When combined with your 3-axis Haas mill, now you'll be able to get into the world of 5-axis machining. This particular unit can handle parts up to 10 inches in diameter by 6 inches tall. It fits well on small to mid-sized verticals, and it's still relatively lightweight and compact. You know, another thing that I just have to talk about is that with Haas, we make it easy to do 4th and 5th axis. Compared to anyone else in the industry, Haas makes adding a 4th or 5th axis rotary to a machine as easy as connecting a printer to a computer. Remember, we have over 45 units to choose from. Our units are quite affordable compared to our market competitors. Not only are they good for indexing of a part, but they also do true interpolated motion when used on a Haas machining center. Haas rotary units are easily portable from machine to machine, something our customers have been able to take advantage of for decades. And since Haas is one of the largest producers of rotary tables worldwide, you know you're getting an established brand with the accuracy and dependability you can count on. And finally, thanks to our rotary tab in the settings page, we've eliminated the need to have to change dozens of parameters when adding or removing a rotary to your machine. You see, because we make both the machining center and the rotary, we're able to control the connection and communication between the rotary unit and the machine control. With just a few simple changes in the settings page, you can engage, disengage, or even change from one rotary to another. Let me show you what I mean. I'll navigate to the settings page and then to the rotary tab. This is where we can easily turn on and off various rotary devices. Just enter the model number of your particular rotary, press F1 to search, select the appropriate model, and press enter. That simple action literally just changed dozens of parameters to make the interface of the rotary seamless and easy. No other machine tool builder offers this level of simplicity. With other manufacturers, shops often have a dedicated rotary for each and every machine, because quite frankly, it's just too much of a headache to move the rotary around. This isn't the case with Haas. On our machines, you can share various rotaries from one machine to another, maximizing your investment, since your crew can now make use of that rotary on nearly every setup. Sound too good to be true? Well, it isn't. This is something that Haas customers have been doing on a regular basis for decades. Mounting a Haas rotary on a machine or swapping out a smaller one for a larger one can be accomplished in just 30 minutes or less, start to finish. So stop loading parts in multiple fixtures in order to get the job done, and let Haas help you cover every imaginable angle. Contact your local Haas factory outlet or go to haascnc.com to discover how you can add a Haas rotary to an existing machine, or even add one to your next vertical machine purchase. You'll be glad you did.